Yo, what's up? Welcome back. We in here at night. I got the homies here. Got one of the homies over there, Gary. Good looking out. We're gonna put the doors on. The owner's over there, that asshole, you know. But we are gonna get ready, pull the fenders off, and try to slap these doors on. Thank God for these guys. Our schedules are all off except Carrie. We got the same schedule, but it's really hard to get everybody over here. We all live kind of far from each other, or the owner has a graveyard shift. So nowadays we got extra hands. We're gonna slap these doors on. All right, we're gonna take the fenders off. Go ahead, little Cedar, take it off. He's only held on by one bolt, I believe. Yep, right here.
Where do you want to put it?
Let's set it somewhere safe, like under the car or something.
Under the car?
Yeah. So when we push it, it crush it really good. Play too much, man. You know me. I'm known for being sarcastic. All right, just held on one by one bolt. Take that off like this. No, my luck, this shit will fall on the ground. And little Cedar, you could put it somewhere safe right here. Grab it.
That's the one thing, man. I got so much shit to do after this.
Hey, customers complaining about too much shit to do.
No,
I don't think he's been watching the video. This guy right here. Hey, that's the best homie though. We've been kids, friends since we was kids. I mean, that's what I meant to say.
It's been a back in the day.
I used to. All right, we ain't got no room in this garage, so I'm gonna have to open up, push the car out. We gotta be quiet because we don't want to piss the neighbors off, and quietly install the doors out here, which is gonna be a pain in the ass. So let's get at that right now. All right, let's push this out. I was gonna install it tonight by myself, man, but you know what? Fuck that shit, man. I'm gonna drop it.
This hell light, man.
What is?
Oh, the car.
The door seems like it's heavy in the car.
Oh, the doors are fucking heavy. That's why I never put the fucking thing on.
How far you wanna go? All right, since it's hella dark, yeah, we had to go out and grab all the lights. Got the little floodlight. We got it all in here. Hopefully the neighbors don't complain and call the cops on us. You know, some neighbors be like that. So we're gonna go straight to it. Pick up the doors with me and my boys, bolt them on, and hopefully we could call it quits. So we'll see what's up. Carry this fall out of you. Yeah, we got it all threaded in. That's all it's holding right now. All we need really. All right, last bolt on. Should be good. I use power tools, but man, it's way too loud for the neighbors right now. Last thing they want to hear is a freaking machine gun ratchet going off right now, you know?
You spoil it. You're spoiling yourself too much.
You know it. You know it. I didn't have it before.
I know.
He says I'm spoiled. Spoiled myself though. Door one is on, thanks to the homies, because it would have sucked doing this by myself. But we were gonna get to the next door, and just bear with me. It's gonna be a little short video. He might tow it tonight. We'll see. All right, let's move this box back so we get on the passenger side. Thanks, fellas.
You go towards me, so we can move it back. You come towards me.
Look at me. Look in my eyes. I am the captain. I tell them what to do. Just kidding. Just kidding, guys. Not really kidding. We have fun while we work, you know? All right, let's align and get the bolts in. What was that?
Man, OnlyFans I was watching.
Who's that?
OnlyFans.
Oh shit, I got OnlyFans. Shit. All right, it's the day after. We got all the doors put down and buttoned up on there. So shout out to the homies, Lil Sita and Carrie. Thank you guys for coming through late notice last night to help me out with the doors. It helped out big time, you know. And now we're seeing progress. I'm gonna turn this around real quick. And now it looks like a complete car, you know, with the fender, the door on. It looks way more complete. I'm gonna turn the camera around real quick. Yeah, it's looking better. Got a nice solid foundation, nice paint job, got a good engine. But customer had brought this bumper last night. It took him a while to source one out, to source an OEM one. What's up, Gunny? To source out an OEM bumper, and he found a really good condition. You know, it's getting more expensive because these cars are getting old and very rare to find parts. But yeah, it's looking good. I got to actually jump on this bumper probably this week. Start on the filler, primer, and you know, next step, sand, paint, blah blah blah. Got the trunk to still do, and those are the two last pieces. But I think we're gonna start buttoning up all the little small stuff, little knickknacks and all of that. All right, we're gonna start putting everything back up on the rear end. What's up, Gunny? Gotta bolt everything up. It's all little small things, quick and easy. Let's get at that right now. All right, that was the final piece. So glad all the small stuff, all the little knickknacks put together, all the miscellaneous things. But as you can see, as a complete car, well, not complete, but with the big parts like the doors and the fenders on, you could actually tell that it looks like a car. And it looks beautiful. Again, I'm gonna say it over and over. What's up, Gunny? But yeah, looking good, looking like a real car. This color almost looks silver. And I hate silver, but it's not silver. It's just the lighting and the camera, but it looks freaking good. So yeah, right now it's just a waiting game. My part is done, pretty much putting everything completely together as much as I can. The rest we are going to assemble at the customer's house. Since he helped out with the build and took the car apart, I'm also going to help him put it together, because I don't need anything getting scratched up. So, and plus we'll get it back together quick. He's waiting on everything else to get done, but it's pretty much it. What's up, Gunny? Want some water? Some water? Come here. This guy's been hanging out here with me the whole time. My buddy right there, hanging out with me every day. Try to put him in a house. He still wants to come out here and play. But stay tuned. We are gonna just wait for a text. Customers. Yeah, change of plans. Screw it. It's starting to rain now. We are gonna push this car right back in right now. The sunroof is open, so we ain't really trying to have it out here. Gotta admit though, we've been out here for about 4 hours and it really didn't get too much rain on her or wet. Now we just wait. Be patient and we just wait. Stay tuned. Yep, the wait is over. He just texted me back and he's gonna find somebody to who can get in the car and steer it while he tows it. They don't live too far from here. I would say like maybe 3 or 4 minutes. So he's gonna tow it with his Denali and a rope. I would give him a hand. I just don't like doing that. I don't like towing with the rope, and it's always scared me. So he's just gonna have someone else to do it. But while we wait, man, he's excited. He's an EF lover just like myself. We both, in fact, that might have been our first vehicle when we were kids, you know, 15 or 16. I had an EF hatchback. In fact, I've had 5, well, no, actually 6 EF hatchback, including the one I have in the backyard that people know me of for the candy painted EF9. clone. But he had always had a CRX when he was younger too. So man, this is exciting for just not just for him, for both of us, because we're just diehard EF lovers. But yeah, he's excited. This is just one step closer, you know. So stay tuned. I'm hoping he'll be here in the next 10 minutes. So we'll see what's up, all right? Damn, like that. We just talked about him. In 2 minutes, they was already here. Say what's up, everybody. That's the fam over there. I'm excited for them. But yeah, they're about to get ready to take the car. Yup, at the homie customer house. Check it out, man. He's got the hood on. It's looking good. And this is where he usually sleeps, right here.
You know how it is. Everyone's homeless now.
Yeah, man. But, hey, man, we all homeless once we get in the car game. It's a money pit, but you know, it's the love. But yeah, check it out. He got the hood on. I mean, I'm really excited. They look hella good. It's more completed. It's got that ZC hood, that little bump you see right there. It's a JDM hood. It's the theme that he's always wanted and liked. All right, now that I got a quick glimpse of that hood and everything else on here, looking real legit, like a actual complete car for the most part. I guess we're gonna put the bumper on, so I'm gonna have my son veer and turn around and record us. Hold on. All right, just put your hand through there. Just put your hand through there, and just hold it. Just watch, okay?
Yeah, the thing is, like, I started saying it, I was gonna say it and paint it. But it was just making me pissed.
I was gonna.
I am.
To just do that, but then
Hi, what's
I
up?
was gonna say, can you waste some money and get in the pocket?
What's up?
But I'm actually happy you went that route.
It was just way too much paint pissed.
Hold on, bro.
Good for you.
Oh man, that was All right, here you go. Thank you, Jared. Thanks. The helper recording. It's hard to get a cameraman around here, but yeah, we got the rear bumper on. It's just sitting on there temporary.
Yeah,
Sitting.
to get pulled off again, but
Yeah, we're just making room in the garage. All right, customer just picked it up. He's happy. I'm happy that he's happy. He deserves it. And us EF lovers, man, it's a big reward seeing a old 25-plus-year-old car, you know, restored. But I appreciate you guys staying tuned and actually watching my boring videos. So I appreciate you guys. So stay tuned, and we will get back on the next video. All right.